Gille Falcon pad removal and installation. First, remove the cheek pads by detaching the snap buttons. Then, pull the pads from the shell of the helmet. Repeat the same process on the other side. Next is to remove the center pad by detaching these snap buttons. Then, pull these locks upward to completely remove the center pad. Lastly, remove the chin pad by pulling it out of the shell. Now here's the exciting part, the pad installation. First, install the center pad by locking them through the snap buttons and latch. Then install the cheek pads. Make sure that they're aligned properly to their slots and snaps. Push the plastic part of the pad inside the slots until it aligned with the shell. Repeat the same process on the other side. Lastly, install the chin pad. Now you're all set. Thanks for watching. Ride safe!